to room 301. In 301, you can feel safe and respected. In room 301, we use all of the 21st century skills, which are communication, collaboration, creation, and critical thinking. You can use these skills in almost any situation, like creating a mural or communicating and collaborating to work more effectively with peers, and also, of course, critical thinking to help you solve a tough problem. Hope you enjoy the rest of the tour.
The four agreements are the rules we have in our classroom that we enforce so we can have a safe and successful day every day in our classroom. So basically we have mutual respect, appreciation, no put downs, right to participate, learn/pass, and attentive listening. And we've all signed this, so we all agree on these rules and we all follow them.
And we made them into small collages, and we put them up next to the door, so when you come in, you can look at them and have a successful day.
Descriptive feedback is peer feedback that we get on our poetry and writing. We read over the person's work, and then we give a star and a wish. A star is something that the person did well, and a wish is something that they could work on or add. When you're giving descriptive feedback, you want to give feedback focused on the success criteria for a certain kind of writing. And when you're receiving feedback, you want to reflect on how it helped to improve your work.
Google Classroom is a program that we use to access all our assignments. We use it for math, science, social studies, and more. We use it for almost every project. And we can access our learning goals and success criteria to make sure our work is the way it's supposed to be.
Scratch is an online community that partners with CS Google First to help give kids an inside look at coding.
On Scratch, you can make your own projects like these ones, get feedback, and make your own animations, art, and more. Here's an example.
You just drag out blocks, and when you press the flag, it will do whatever you command it to do. Scratch is an online community that partners with CS Google First to help give kids an inside look at coding.
On Scratch, you can make your own projects like these ones, get feedback, and make your own animations, art, and more. Here's an example.
You just drag out blocks, and when you press the flag, it will do whatever you command it to do.
What Google Forms is about is to use to plan advance, make a survey or a poll, or give students quizzes.
For example, we made the Business Day survey to determine our company concept.
Google Sites is an online tool that helps you create your own website. We use Google Sites to create our own online portfolio. Google Sites can also be used to track your progress in the year.
In Google Classroom, you should expect feedback from 2 people and also give feedback to 1 person. Once you have received your feedback, you should implement it into your poem or whatever writing piece you're doing. When you give feedback to the person that is assigned to you to give feedback, you should use descriptive feedback.
In Google Sheets, you can create lots of different graphs and analyze data. You can also take surveys and do lots of different graphs so that you don't have to do all your math thinking in a math textbook. In Google Sheets, you can also add up all your numbers so you don't have to do all your math with a calculator. This is a very good aspect because it's more quickly and efficient.
Comic Life is an app that we use to create posters and comics. In class, we made our health posters using different shapes and images so our poster can apply to our aiming age group. Comic Life is a great way to showcase learning and understanding using the different elements given.
Padlet is an online tool that can be used to express your thoughts/ideas. In Padlet, you can communicate your ideas on different topics. You can also respond to different questions as shown over here in Ragtime. That's why Padlet is such an excellent tool.
VoiceThread is a website that your teacher will will create a page. For example, we did one with a poem. And then what everyone does is they pick their own poem, and then as you can see on the side right here, there are different people that commented. There are 3 different ways that you can comment. You can do a video, an audio, or you can just write. And there's like a web of people discussing, agreeing, or disagreeing about things.
Blogger is a good tool to use because when you want to share your ideas about a math question and how to solve it, you can just add a comment. For example, people here are commenting about how they think they can solve the Bruce Trail question. And people go in and look at other people's comments or questions and reply to them so they can help build their understanding of the question.
The Sphero, we use it in class when we're programming it with Tickle, an app on the iPad that allows you to program the Sphero to move. This is helping with our coding, so when we use Scratch, we can code this, but we use Tickle.
Okay, Blog is a Web 2.0 tool that's good to use because it's like everybody has their own blog. Students in your class can see your blogs, and they can also post what they think about the topic you're discussing in class. This will allow us to collaborate and think creatively with what we're talking about.
QR code allows us to have an interactive board to showcase all of our learning online.
Makey Makey is a kid-friendly interactive tool which allows you to create fun games.
If Makey Makey includes one control panel, several different connection wires, and one computer to control panel connection cord.
Makey Makey allows us to create a fun interactive game about the human body organ system.
Powtoon is a great website for creating presentations and slideshows. I've used Powtoon 2 times, and both of those times, Powtoon has successfully helps me complete my work. Powtoon is a great website because if you don't know how to use it, there are steps to show you how.
So far I've used Powtoon once, and it is a great source for projects, presentations, and slideshows. It allows you to put so many features into it, like characters, buildings, and cool fonts. I would recommend using Powtoon for your next project, slideshow, project, presentation, or slideshow.